This is the second skill builder in 1-2 order of operations and equations. Again, still working with integer operations. Number 1 is -4 plus 18. Unlike sign subtract, I get 14. Get 14, take sign of larger, which is the 18, so it stays positive. 9 minus 2, 7. 2 minus a -9, 2, keep, change, flip, -9, keep, change, flip. Unlike sign subtract, 7, take signs of bigger looking number, -7. -12 plus 12, that is a additive inverses. Two numbers with the opposite signs is a 0. Order of operations, make sure that you do the 6 times 2 first. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So I have 3 plus 15. Oops, sorry, not that. I have 3 plus 12, and 3 plus 12 is 15. Number 6, order of operations, I do multiplication first. 7 times -5 is -35. And then I add 7. Unlike sign subtract, I get 28. Take sign of bigger looking number, -28. Number 7, unlike signs subtract, I get 33. Take sign of larger looking number, -33. Number 8, unlike sign subtract, 37 minus 7 is 30. Take sign of larger, 37 is positive, it keeps the positive. Number 9, like signs add, 28. Like signs add, take sign, it's a -28. Number 10, order of operations, do division first. -36 divided by 6, there's a lone negative, so it will be -6 plus 4, and -6 plus 4, unlike sign subtract, I get 2, take sign of larger looking, which is -2.